Hello everybody, I'm Fabien, I'm a developer. I will try to show you how you can optimize your Wi-Fi network. So I'm using this software, it's called Insider 4.0, and with this software you are able to watch all the Wi-Fi network that are near you. So as you can see, there is a lot around me because I'm inside a building. So actually I can tell you it could be a lot of conflict there. So if you look down on the left graphic network, that is about 2.4 gigahertz, it shows you actually all the Wi-Fi N network that are around me. It could be also some Wi-Fi G network, but mostly it's Wi-Fi N. So as you can see, there's a lot of network, and you can see on the graphic this number. It's the network channel that are used. It's one. It's going to 13. So actually, I'm using the channel 11. And you can see that I'm the most strongest network here. It's quite normal, so it's easy to find me. So what I want to tell you is if we are taking, for example, the blue network that is on channel 1, you can see that it's taking like all the other Wi-Fi network a zone of 20 megahertz. That's why you can see this straight line that is centered on the channel 1. So it means this network is talking on all this area, on all this zone. So as you can see on the channel 1, there is a different network, and they are not bothering each other because they're using the same channel, so it's quite okay. What you have to look for is this kind of network, the blue one, that is on the channel 3 in fact, and is actually overlapping the network that is on the channel 1, as you can see, and that is bad. It can create some conflict and the performance will go down. So the thing to optimize your network is you have to search for a channel where you will have theoretically no conflict. So you have to look for a channel with the less overlapping Wi-Fi possible. So if I'm now selecting my Wi-Fi, I can access the detail panel, and you can see that actually I'm on channel 11, and that I have an overlapping count of 11 Wi-Fi network that are bothering me. Well, if I choose this network, it's because I made some tests and I'm getting good results on this channel. So what you have to know is that even if you change to channel, you can get some better performance, but you can get some worse performance. In theory, I should be on channel 1 because I will get less overlapping count. But I did test it and it's not so good for me. So what you have to know is that sometimes the theory is not as good as the test. You don't get the same results. So the real thing is to test each channel separately. And you can do that using the speedtest.net website. And you just select a channel of your Wi-Fi, you connect to your Wi-Fi, and then you go to speedtest.net and you try a download test. So what you have to know when you're making a speed test is that sometimes when you just connect to your new Wi-Fi channel network, you will get some good result at start. But you have to wait 2-3 minutes or even more and to do the test again, the speed test, because sometimes when you stay on the network, on the channel, the performance will just go down in a few minutes. So to test if a channel is good, you have to see if it is stable. So for this you have to wait a bit and to make some different speed tests at different time. So I hope I was helping you, and you will be able to optimize your Wi-Fi with all this information. Thank you. Bye bye.